Hello, I am Tammy from Asenware. Today I would like to introduce our product, LPCB approved bin small detector AWBK901 to you. First of all is about features. It is based on the EN54 standards with LPCB certificate. We have 20, 40, 70 or 100 meters for option. Each bin small detector with 4 reflector meters. The bin small detector builds with DIP switch. Can program the distance and sensitivity itself, save the cost of the programmer. Next is about application places. It is suitable for high-ceiling wire areas like airports, shopping mall, factory, warehouse, office, and hospital, and so on. Today I will show you how to wire the bin small detector to our conventional panel. Before wiring, we need to make our panel power off. Before wiring, we need to short circuit the bin small detector wire D1 and S1. Wire D2 and S2. Let me show you how to program the bin small detector detection range. Let me take the 20 meters and level 1 for example. The positive wire connects to the 24-volt positive port. The negative wire connects to the 24-volt negative port. The positive wire from panels 24 positive connects to the D1. The negative wire from panels 24 negative connect to D2. Before wiring, we need to remove the resistor from the contact. The positive wire connects to the zone positive. The negative wire connects to the zone negative. The positive wire from zone positive needs to connect to HJ1 and pay attention that the HJ1 needs to in series 470 ohm resistor. The negative wire from zone negative connect to the HJ2. And pay attention that HJ1 and HJ2 need to in parallel with 6.8K ohm resistor. That's all.